Part 2 of the waterfall. Well, part 3, I mean. Look at that. Look. Looks so epic. Look at that. It's like falling water. That is epic. Oh my god. I put my hand in it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's freezing. Freezing.